In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download multiple designs at once in Canva. This is a really useful trick if you've created several designs and you don't want to download each one individually. Maybe you're working on a full social media campaign, a set of slides, or a group of graphics for a client. Whatever the case, downloading them all together can save you a lot of time and help keep everything organized. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and that you're on the main Canva dashboard. From here, look for the home area. This is usually what you see right after you log in. If you ever navigate away, you can always get back to it by clicking on the home option at the top of the screen. The home page is where all your recent and saved designs are displayed, so this is where we'll start. Once you're on the home page, you should see a list or grid of your designs. Take a moment to locate the designs you want to download. Now, instead of opening each design one by one, look for the small checkbox that appears near each design thumbnail. Move your cursor over a design and you should see a checkbox appear. Click that checkbox on the first design you want to select. After selecting the first one, continue checking the boxes on any other designs you want to download at the same time. As you click, Canva will keep track of your selections. This makes it easy to choose several designs in one go without opening them individually. Be careful to only select the designs you actually want, especially if you have many similar versions. When you've finished selecting your designs, look toward the bottom of the screen for a download icon. This icon usually looks like a downward arrow. This is the option that lets you download the selected designs together. Go ahead and click on that download icon. Canva will then prepare your files for download. Depending on your settings and the type of designs you've created, it may automatically choose a format or offer options. Once the download is ready, your designs will be saved to your computer, often as a compressed folder if there are several files. You can then open that folder and access each design separately. And that's it. By going to Home, checking the boxes on your designs, and clicking the download icon at the bottom, you can quickly download multiple Canva designs at once and